Hi, I'm Howard Fleischmann Sr. with Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair, and today I'm representing NARPRO, your neighborhood auto repair professional. And we're going to talk filth, we're going to talk germs, we're going to talk about, no matter how gross it is, the fact that there's places in your automobile that are dirtier than your toilet. This has actually been proven, and the CDC has come in behind that and taught us on how we avoid those things. So we'd like to take you through the steps of what we're doing in our shops to ensure your safety and the safety of our employees. First of all, alcohol wipes, you're going to see them everywhere. Lysol, you're going to see it everywhere. We'll show you what we're doing with that, but the biggest thing is the purifier. So come with me and let me show you how this works. Here we are. So we're inside my convertible, so the top is down, that's so you can see me. But if I was going to purify this vehicle, I would have the top up, the windows up. We come into the vehicle, plug it into the cigarette lighter, set it up to run 20 minutes, and the purifier will take care of it. Then we start the fan up, and we put it on the recirc mode so that it's getting the air even that's running through the system itself, and assume you got a good clean cabin filter. It's going to purify that also. If you don't, let's change that first. Then when we're complete, we turn it over to the technician to do their job. We're protecting our technicians by doing this. And then in turn, when they've completed the work, they're going to return the vehicle. They're going to set the purifier up for another 20 minutes. They're going to wipe down anything that they've touched. And remember, we were told that things in an automobile are dirtier than a toilet, and the steering wheel is one of them. So we're going to wipe it down really well with a Clorox pad and anything else we may have touched, like door handles, door fixtures, so on and so forth. Let it run for another 20 minutes, and then the vehicle is yours to take home, knowing that we've protected you from ourselves. Again, I'm Howard Fleischmann Sr. with Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair. If you're going to take advantage of the free sanitizer, make sure you plan an extra 20 to 50 minutes, 20 to 40 minutes, 20 minutes on the inside, 20 minutes on the outside. For us to do it, it's going to make it safer for you and for our people. Thank you for the opportunity.